read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are, alhamdulillah, fine. So, what are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter V and learn the words that start with its sound. First of all, we will teach to the students its formation, its sound, and vocabulary words. As usual, in playgroup, we have just given on the book 2 vocabulary words. Here is a van and vegetables. But you will make different flashcards like was. It could be was or was. Okay? Vegetables, West, voice, vulture, and show these flashcards to the students and ask them about these objects. Like vulture, ask them, is it a bird or any object? Okay? Show them vegetable flashcard and ask about the name of vegetables. Okay? Show them the flashcard of van and you could ask the wheels of van and the color of van. Okay, after that, we will teach the statement. Okay, look over here. Teach them carefully. The van has a variety of vegetables. The van has, yes, very good, a variety of vegetables. After that, ask the questions about the wheels of van, about the color of van, how many wheels are there in about a sentence, and at the end, you could ask that, where are the vegetables? After that, it's time to rhyme. Pretend to hold the steering wheel of a van and say, w, 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 van, 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 w, 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 van, van, van. I hope so you understood and you will teach very well with happy face to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.